Make sure you have all the correct parts via the instructions that were provided, and make sure you've got a flathead screwdriver because that is the only tool you'll need. The first step is to set up the pump. Make sure you have the proper adapter on it for the hoses that were included. There are a lot of options if you do decide to change your hose type. First we'll get the adapter onto the pump, and then we'll apply the hose onto the end of the adapter. Then we'll get the fastener, make sure that it is over the adapter, and then simply screw it down. The next step is to attach the drainage hose onto the smaller adapter on this Y fitting. Make sure everything is nice and snug. And then screw down the bolt over the end of the hose connected to the Y adapter as shown. Place the pump inside the pump section, which should be on the farthest right in the sump, and then make sure that you take the electrical wire and put it through the hole first. That way you can easily fit the water hose through. After that, go ahead and take the pump hose and attach it to the larger adapter on the Y adapter. Make sure you have it pressed up as far as it can go, and then tighten the bolt over the hose. And take the clamp, the fastener, and place it over the top of the hose and use your flathead screwdriver to tighten that down. Ensure that all the hoses are clamped down and tightened as much as possible to prevent leakage. Once that is done, we'll move on to the next step. Now we will install the outlet connector to the PVC tube that will drain all of the water over your filtration cabinet. The easiest way to do this would be to remove the black adapter from the outlet connector, which is the bendy elbow piece. Screw that in tightly first, and then push the bendable hose as far up you can on that black adapter that has been screwed in previously. And just make sure you really push that up there, because it's going to be a little bit hard to connect that 90-degree bend to the long PVC tube that goes into the cabinet. So once that is firmly up to the top as much as possible, you should get a good alignment to connect to the gated switch here. Tighten the black adapter into the top portion of the And that's it. Congratulations on your new Aquadream tank. We wish you the best of luck. We'd love to see any videos or photos of your finished tank, whether it's saltwater or freshwater. Keep us posted. Thanks, Aquadreamers.